Hey guys, and welcome to the Review Millennial channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can create notes in your Pinterest board. So I'm going to go to recipes and I am going to go to notes over here. I'm just going to click on it and press create your first note. Then I am going to add note title like grocery list, shopping list, or something like that. And then I am going to add another text. I've just pressed this one. And I'm just actually going to add the pin first. For instance, this one, I'm just going to press add. Then I'm going to list the things I want to buy. So soy sauce. Oops, sorry. Buy soy sauce, something like that, and I'm just going to add more to it later, and then I'm just going to press done. And as you can see, now it is under my grocery shopping list under notes in Pinterest. But that is basically it. If you want to add more notes, you can add it with this plus button over here. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!